Alright guys, so let's take a look at today's it's nothing new, it's reflection. We're good with reflection, but what I want us to practice with the reflection is when the lines are not straight, not horizontal, not vertical. Because I know with the x-axis, we can do that, right? Move everything from the bottom to the top. The y-axis, we can do that. But I want to practice on the diagonal line. So I want to practice on y equals x, and the mirrors y equals negative x. So those two mirror lines are basically what I want us to practice. For us to remember, given the coordinate plane, y equals x looks like that. Then the y equals negative x, give or take, looks like that. Alright, so once again, that's basically the two we're going to be using for today. So looking at question number one, reflection across y equals x. So knowing how the line looks like, let me draw my mirror line. I'm going to move everything from one side to the other. The only thing though, because my line is diagonal, my distance to the line, I'm going to count it diagonal as well. Matter of fact, I think I mentioned it before, but the way the mirror line is, and the way we count, it should cross at 90 degrees. It should be perpendicular. So there's two ways of how we can do this. One way, count the spaces. So if I look at I, is 1, 2.5 from the mirror line. Keep in mind I'm counting diagonal. Those two spaces from the mirror line, I'm going to 2.5 spaces on the other side as well. Right, distances remain the same. If I look at J, it's only half a space on one side, so we're going to go half a space on the other side as well. And then looking at K is 1, 2, 3 spaces. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I connect my points. And it should look like a reflection. Right. That's one way of doing it. I said draw the mirror line and count the space. That's one way. Another way we can do it, if we look at the coordinates of K, it's 4, negative 2. And if I remember my formulas, the ones I have on the board, the formula for y equals x, it says xy becomes yx. So K prime should become negative 2, positive 4. And if you notice, that's basically what it is. So once again, the two ways you guys can do it is draw the mirror line, count the spaces. That's one way. The other way is get the coordinates, know what happens to the coordinates, and then plot them in. So you do whichever one you guys want. Any questions on today's assignment? Rotation is good. Patty paper works for rotation, but not on reflection. Reflection has a different way of doing it. Reflections on, yeah. Guys, for Friday, we're taking our test on the Unit 2, and Unit 2 is basically transformations, all four of them. Remember, translation, rotation, reflection, and dilation. All four, yes. Yes. All right. Any questions? All right. Let me take roll really quick.